Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about a topic Gati Shakti National Master Plan for Infrastructure Development that was recently launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Do watch the video till the end, hit the like video and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gained today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos. Not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes. They are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. In today's video, we will be discussing about a Gati Shakti National Master Plan for the infrastructure development that was recently launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But why was this in news? What was the reason? Recently, the Government of India has launched the ambitious Gati Shakti scheme, or the National Master Plan for the Multi-Modal Connectivity Plan, with the aim of coordinating planning and execution of infrastructure projects to bring down the logistics cost. First of all, you should know what is logistic cost. We will come back to the topic. Logistic cost is, see, if there is A and there is B. A manufactured a good which he wants to deliver to B. So the amount he will be requiring to send the product, say X product, from A to B is the logistics cost. All right, so this is your logistics cost for transferring from goods from one place to another, is your logistics cost. Similarly, What is this Gati Shakti? Basically, Gati Shakti, if let me give you an example. If you have seen many times that road that was once constructed is now being dug up again to lay down pipes for gasoline or various other reason, even for water pipes also. What must have been the reason behind it? The reason must have been that the coordination between the various departments that developed that particular road. The road ministry developed it road, but the water ministry or the department that is related to water did not lay down the pipes as it was planned for that particular area. So they have to dug it again, which caused various inconvenience as well as unuseful, wasteful expenditure, wasteful of money. All the resources will be wasted, human resource will be wasted, time will be wasted, money will be wasted. So to avoid that situation, to bring various departments working on a particular project to come under one roof, this particular movement or this particular scheme, that is a Gati Shakti scheme, was recently launched to make Indian business grow using these connectivity areas. Then you should note Gati Shakti, some key points. It is a digital platform. Digital platform. Question can be asked, Gati Shakti is a digital platform. What does Gati Shakti mean? This means power of speed. Gati Shakti means power of speed. Alright, it is promises integrated planning and coordinated execution. What does it promise? Integrated planning and coordinated execution. And coordinated execution. That means to bring various departments under one roof. All right. You should also, let's first talk about the scheme here. Let's look at some various points, important various points. If we talk about the scheme, the aim is to ensure integrated planning and implementation of infrastructure projects in the next 4 years with focus on expediting works on the ground, saving cost and creating job. The Gati Shakti scheme will subsume the 110 lakh crore national infrastructure pipeline that was launched in 2019. Besides cutting logistic costs, the scheme is also aimed at increasing cargo handling capacity and reducing the turnaround time at ports to boost trade. This means you can say if a person wants to do business in India, all right, he needs to take permissions from various departments. So to bring all those departments under one roof, so that he won't have to go from one place to another for various registries or various appointments or various approvals from these departments. He will have to go just to the one place, to this one website or digital platform where he can apply to the various approvals from the various departments. It also have 11 industrial corridors. I repeat, it also aims to have 11 industrial corridors and 2 new defense corridors, one in Tamil Nadu and other in Uttar Pradesh. Extending 4G connectivity to all the villages is another aim. Adding 17,000 km to the gas pipeline network is being planned. For an example, this is a highway. All right, now it turns left, but on right there is not a proper road. All right, this is like not a proper developed road. Here is a village X. All right, this is a village X. Then here is your any city, you can the proper planned city with all the proper facilities and equipments, or all those ministries, departments, big homes, rich people living here, and this X is your a proper normal village. So for the development of this particular X village, there should be proper connectivity here. All right, so that they can, if these X need to have some shops where they can sell goods, they should have proper connectivity from where they can bring goods from X from Y and they can deliver and sell it on X. Various size. What is this national infrastructure pipeline project? Similarly, pipeline will be sent from one place to, say, from the department of gas is in Y. So here is the authority, here is the department that is supplying gases to the various households using these pipelines. Similarly, the head of X village says that we also want gas pipeline facility in our villages. So the X will have to lay down the pipeline under the roads or various locations that will be connected to the X village. All right. So what is the need basically here? First is development. Development is the main reason why all these projects are coming up and why these projects are mandatory now. Proper planning should be there. Now see, this is a kacha road. So if the road is built first and the pipeline is not laid, so then the X and the Y together have to come up with a plan that we have to dug this road up again so that we can lay down the pipes first. If the pipes would have been laid earlier before the manufacturing of this low road or the construction of this road, then the extra cost, extra time, extra effort would have been reduced, that and the money they are spending again to make the same road that they developed earlier would have been saved. So with the help of this pipeline and this road, now this X village is now connected to Y, and now the development, you can say, has started in this particular X village. Now it will be beneficial for this X village. So you getting it why this Gati Shakti is important? It will boost business now. See, business has started, this gas has started here, road has been manufactured properly. So in X village there are various people who want to sell mobile phone. They will be bringing mobile phone from the area that Y is selling. They will load their cartons with the mobile phone and they will bring it to X village and they'll start their own shop and start selling it. All right, the people of this X village now won't be dependent on the Y city. So it will help in the development. That is the reason these all infrastructure development projects are coming up. Getting back to our features. What are the various features of this Gati Shakti? There are certain features of this plans which are enumerated below. First is integrated planning. Gati Shakti will target integrated planning and coordinated implementation of all infrastructure connectivity projects. Second, holistic approach. Holistic means bringing all and everything together under one roof only. Gati Shakti will be a national infrastructure master plan for a country which will lay the foundation of holistic infrastructure. Holistic is together, everything in one. Next, it removes coordination issue. As I told you by giving the example of road, that if the road would have been laid after the gas pipeline would have been fitted, then we won't have to dug the road again. So it would have costed less. Even it was an extra amount that we spent on the construction of the road again. Individual ministries and departments often work in silos and there is a lack of coordination in the planning and implementation of the project, resulting in delays. PM Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti will help in synchronizing the activities of each department as well as of different layers of governance holistically by ensuring coordination. Next is incorporation of various projects. As Gati Shakti will incorporate the infrastructure schemes of various union ministries and state governments such as Bharatmala, Sagarmala, Udan, inland waterways, dry and land ports, etc. Economic zones such as textiles, pharmaceuticals and fishing clusters, electronic parks, defense and industrial corridors and agriculture zones will be covered to improve connectivity under this Gati Shakti infrastructure scheme. Next, it will improve productivity. Gati Shakti aims to increase the productivity of the industry, enhance their competitiveness, support local manufacturers, also help in developing new possibilities for economic zones. See, one more example let me give you here. Now, the people of X villages are developing their own products. Say they are developing some A product that they know they can sell in this particular city Y. So now with the help of this connectivity road, they can bring their A product and sell it to this Y city, and that will help them to support the local products or local farmers. If farmers are there, then it will be local farmers or local self-help groups, you can say. All right. So this will help a lot in the connectivity issue. Next, Next is it will be cost efficient. The plan will also ensure quick completion of works with cost efficiency. The idea is to get all relevant stakeholders aligned for creating the right size infrastructure at a suitable location expeditiously. If we talk about employment generation, the plan envisages the creation of multiple employment opportunities also. Means Gati Shakti will also ensure employment to the youth. This will improve supply chain. It aims to improve the global competitiveness of local products by cutting down the logistic cost and improving the supply chain. It will also improve the export. As say someone developed something in Jammu and Kashmir and they want to deliver it to United Kingdom. So they want that it should be shipped via the sea route. So if the proper connectivity is not there between Jammu and Kashmir and Gujarat or Mumbai, so how will they will be able to deliver the product from Jammu and Kashmir to United Kingdom or USA? So this connectivity is one of the most important reason that business works, and this is the only reason that logistic, or this is the only reason by how you can reduce your connectivity cost. If a product is being sold at a very far away, then it will cost more because the supplier to deliver that cost, some amount will be spent. If the place where we want to deliver the product is close or not too far away, be it timely or kilometer wise, then it will be easily to sell that product, and the amount spent on that product, or the consumer that will be spending the amount for that particular product, will be less. Next, it will help us for 5 trillion economy. A well-developed infrastructure is considered one of the healthy signs of a developed country. To move from the status of a developing country to the developed economy, India needs to strengthen its infrastructure. To reach the goal of becoming a 5 trillion economy, this project will help in developing world-class infrastructure for India. This Gati Shakti will attract FDI. What is FDI? Foreign direct investment. There are 3 types of infrastructure projects. The first is projects of the government. Second is the public-private partnership. And the third one is in which foreign or international players are also involved. In simple terms, we can say that the third kind of project mentioned above involves foreign direct investment. Gati Shakti Master Plan will remove all the obstacles involved in the completion of a project and will improve the ease of doing business. You can also say that Gati Shakti will help in the improve ease of doing business. Next, there are some ambitious targets for a period of 2024 to 2025 under the Gati Shakti scheme. It will also help in fulfilling the ambitious targets set by the government for a period of 2024 to 25. Let's look at it. First is 11 industrial corridors and 2 new defense corridors will be built in Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. We just saw it above. 4G connectivity in all the villages. We just saw. Increasing renewable energy. How 4G connectivity? As you know, as the roads will be there, then the internet cables or the wires can also be provided to along with these roads, or so that they will be going to various remote locations where the internet have been not reached till now. Increasing renewable capacity to 225 gigawatts from 87.7 gigawatts as of now. Expanding the national highway network to 2 lakh kilometer. Increasing length of transmission network to 4,54,200 circuit kilometer. Creation of 220 new airports, heliports and water aerodromes. Increasing cargo handling capacity of railways to 1,600 million tons from 1,210 million tons. Adding another 17,000 km to gas pipeline network. 202 fishing clusters, harbors, landing centers will also be created with the help of this Gati Shakti Infrastructure Master Plan. Alright. Then, if we look at some of the expected outcomes, such as it will help map the existing and proposed connectivity projects. So, see another example. Under this scheme, like National Highway Authority of India wants to construct a highway. So how if we are able to provide, if another department is able to provide them satellite images, satellite images are provided to the ministry, so there a lot of work will be reduced, as they won't have to go to the particular place and look and measure how from where and how the particular road will be going, what is the length of the road will be. Just using the satellite images provided with the so and so department, the National Highway Authority of India's work will be reduced to by a fraction of, you can say, 20%. So it will be helpful. It is reducing time, it is reducing cost. So what else do we need? All right, next is a comprehensive and integrated transport connectivity strategy will considerably support Make in India, as various villages are connected. Say Delhi is connected to Bihar easily, so we can sell products from Delhi to Bihar and from Bihar to Delhi easily. Similarly, if a person or a businessman in Tamil Nadu wants to sell its product to northeast states, then if the connectivity of roads are proper, he will be able to sell those products from Tamil Nadu to northeastern states easily. So connectivity is very important. That will help to boost the Make in India products also. It should help achieve the various objectives of the Government of India, such as expanding the length of national highway network to 2 lakh kilometers, creation of heliports, water aerodrames, and development of over 200 new airports, boosting trade by enhancing the cargo handling capacity and decreasing the turnaround time at Indian ports, establishing 11 industrial corridors and 2 defense corridors also, extending the 4G connectivity. Another aim is to expansion of gas pipeline network. All right, so this was your Gati Shakti, inaugurated by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi at where? Pragati Maidan. Then if motto or theme of this Gati Shakti is asked, then you should know it is Pragati ki Gati, Bharat ki Shakti. This is the motto or theme of this particular scheme. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.